Maintaining a satisfying and healthy sex life after the age of 50 can be a different experience compared to one's younger years, but it's certainly possible. Here are some tips for men looking to enhance their sex life as they age. 1. Communication. Open and honest communication with your partner is crucial. Discuss your desires, needs, and any concerns you may have. This can help you both better understand each other's expectations. 2. Overall health. Good health is the foundation of a healthy sex life. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing chronic health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Consult with a healthcare professional to address any health concerns. 3. Stay active. Regular physical activity can improve circulation, boost energy levels, and help maintain healthy sexual function. Exercise also releases endorphins, which can enhance mood and reduce stress. 4. Manage stress. High stress levels can negatively impact your sex life. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that you enjoy. 5. Get adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall well-being, including your sex life. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to ensure you have the energy and vitality for sexual activities. 6. Healthy diet. A balanced diet can help maintain optimal body weight and support sexual health. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods and limit the intake of processed and unhealthy foods. 7. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is important for maintaining healthy bodily functions, including sexual function. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased sexual desire. 8. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact erectile function and overall health. Reducing or quitting these habits can have a positive impact on your sex life. 9. Regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider regularly for checkups and screenings. This can help catch and address any health issues that may affect your sexual health. 10. Emotional connection. Emotional intimacy and connection with your partner are essential for a fulfilling sex life. Spend time together, share your feelings, and engage in activities that strengthen your bond. 11. Sexual wellness products. There are various sexual wellness products available, such as lubricants or medications like Viagra, that can help with erectile dysfunction. Consult a healthcare professional before using any such products. 12. Educate yourself. Continue learning about sexual health and aging. There are many resources available, including books, articles, and healthcare professionals who can provide guidance and information tailored to your needs. Remember that sexual satisfaction can take various forms, and it's essential to prioritize intimacy, emotional connection, and overall well-being. Each person's experience is unique, and it's important to adjust your approach to what works best for you and your partner as you age.